in this video we will be talking about how to upload the documents to UNI-ASSIST. So let's start with this video. So as you can see here, this is the my account portal. So from this portal you can edit login details, application information, educational histories, and this is the portal of my applications. This is the tab of my applications. So here you can review your application and you can upload the documents. So UNI-ASSIST is all about your documents. You have to upload your documents over here. So just click on this document section. So here it's written how we can upload the documents. So mostly you should prefer PDF files. They have written upload PDF files. Maximum size per document is 10 MB. So you have to upload all the documents over here, like from your 10th, then 10th, 12th, diploma, degree, your living certificates, your internships, your work experience, your IELTS, your passport copy, your IELTS. Then if you have given GRE, GMAT, GATE, upload all documents over here. I'll also share you the screenshot of how a screen looks like when you upload all the documents over here. So whatever the documents you upload over here in this portal, you have to upload the file, like select, and then you can upload the file over here. So I was saying that whatever the file you upload over the here in this portal, you have to send those hard copies to UNI-ASSIST. So in the coming video I will tell you how to send documents to UNI-ASSIST. So here, like, you can upload any of the documents which are mandatory considering your application perspective. Okay, so each document you should be careful, like all your documents, like each document should be less than 10 MB as they have written over here, and you should like write the name of that particular document. So they have also given here it comes under which category. Okay, what I would suggest is when you upload the document over here, so rename that file of the document. Like if you're uploading 10th grade mark sheet, so write 10th grade mark sheet. Okay, another thing is I would say when you are uploading the documents, so if you are uploading transcript, so write bachelor's degree transcript, the name of that file, and upload. Also you should upload all the mark sheets of your bachelor's. You should upload that. So make one file, and in that one file upload all the mark sheets of your bachelor's, like merge all the mark sheets into one file and upload that. So I'll also share like after this end of this video, I'll share my screenshot of how it looked like when I uploaded all the documents. Okay, so and also you should keep in mind whichever documents you are uploading over here on this portal, you should send all those documents to UNI-ASSIST. So in the next video I will be telling how to send documents to UNI-ASSIST. Okay, so if you are finished at this step, so like 199% of your work is done. The screen looks like when you upload all the documents over here in the documents portal in UNI-ASSIST. So first I have uploaded the secondary school mark sheet, then the secondary school certificate, diploma mark sheets, all mark sheets merged into one. Diploma passing certificate, diploma transcripts, bachelor's mark sheet, bachelor's passing certificate, bachelor's degree convocation certificate, bachelor's university transcript, university grading system certificate, bachelor's ranking certificate, bachelor's medium of instruction certificate, living certificate, that is college living certificate, IELTS test report, work experience certificates. I've also merged my internship certificates into this file, passport copy, and bachelor's ranking certificate. So like you should upload all the documents that you have from 10th till your present date. Okay, one thing which is pretty important, I would say, is this part is university grading system certificate. Like see why this is important, because UNI-ASSIST will convert your grades into a German system, like into a German pointer. So this is pretty important considering your application. So like every university in India has a different grading system, so they will convert your grades accordingly to the German grading system. Okay, so load this file, like it is important. Okay, Another thing is, I would say, like I have uploaded all these documents, so you should send these documents hard copy, notarized one to UNI-ASSIST. Okay, so do watch the coming video. In that, I'll explain how to send documents to UNI-ASSIST, and yeah.